Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's tutorial is for a very attractive smoky eyeliner look with glitter that is super easy to do. You can create this stunning eye makeup using just one eyeshadow. This look is perfect for both day and night. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm applying a light brown eyeshadow as a base. As you can see, I've generously used this shade. This step is optional since using concealer or an eyelid primer can lighten the base color. However, this eyeshadow helps achieve a more natural look for your eyelids. For applying the eyeliner, I prefer to use tape because it gives a cleaner result and makes the application easier. I'm using gel eyeliner and with a brush, I carefully create the wing from the outer corner of my eyelid. You can confidently use tape for this step or feel free to use liquid eyeliner or any product you find easier following your preferred technique. For this eye makeup look, it's better to extend the eyeliner to the middle of the eyelid as this will make your eyes appear longer and create that siren eyes effect. Next, I'm using black eyeshadow, which is commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes. With a small flat brush, I carefully apply the black eyeshadow right above my eyeliner. If blending the black eyeshadow is difficult for you, try adding it gradually to your eyelid, blending as you go, and then repeat the process. I blend with the same flat brush using sweeping motions, carefully blending from the middle of my eyelid to the outer corner. This eye makeup look is very easy because you can achieve it with just a simple eyeshadow. Alternatively, you can use a brown eyeshadow instead of black, which will look really beautiful. Then I blend the eyeshadow towards the inner corner of my eye. The reason I use a small brush for blending is that it provides a cleaner result. If there are any patchy spots or harsh lines, using a fluffy brush will help blend and smooth everything out easily. I switched to a fluffy brush to achieve a soft and a smooth smoky eyeshadow look without harsh lines. To darken the eyeshadow, repeat the same process. Apply the black eyeshadow along the eyeliner with a small brush, blend it in, and then use the fluffy brush to smooth everything out. I repeated this step for an even better result. I redraw my eyeliner to make it bolder as it may have faded while blending. Next, I'm using loose glitter, applying it to the center of my eyelid with a brush. For applying loose glitter, it's better to use a damp brush or apply glitter glue to your eyelid beforehand, as this helps the glitter stick easily. You can also use glitter eyeshadows from your palette, which don't require any of these extra steps. Now remove the tape from the outer corner of your eyelid and see the beautiful result of your smoky eyeliner. It enhances the shape of your eyes and creates a stunning look that's also very practical for various occasions. Apply some black eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I just want to slightly darken the roots of my lashes for a more natural look. I'll use the leftover shadow on my brush and blend it from the outer lower lash line towards the middle. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. I upload tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup and beauty, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. I recently noticed a drop in my views, which is quite discouraging, but I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye!